My name is Brian Sweis. I'm an MD PhD student at the University of Minnesota. The goal of the MD PhD program is to train future physicians who are also scientists and to bridge that gap between science and medicine. The TRDP fellowship that I got through the CTSI funded me specifically to take the type of research questions I was asking in rats and mice in a laboratory and see if I can begin to answer some of those questions in patients struggling to recover from addiction. So my research is focused on how the brain makes decisions, and most of my work so far has been applied in the setting of addiction and really trying to pinpoint by studying their behaviors in identical ways across species, how these actually might be different brain disorders that we can start to separate instead of lumping all forms of addiction together. One piece of advice I would give, first of all, to all MD PhD students is that applying for the CTSI TRDP fellowship, I think should be part of their plan from day one. In your final 2 years of medical school, when you're finishing your PhD and you're returning back to the clinic, those 2 years are kind of your prime time to continue your line of research and make it roll one step closer to patient work. I kind of always kept the CTSI and their funding opportunities in mind to take my research interests and combine it with my future clinical interests. But I think my favorite thing about the CTSI, particularly the TRDP, is just the community of scientists across different levels that I've gotten a chance to network with and learn from. One aspect of the training, particularly through this project, that has been useful has been really thinking about how science is received in the public eye. We had a couple workshops and different experiences to really practice who might the different stakeholders be in the type of research that we're doing, whether it be other scientists, patients, or certain public policymakers, and then really getting training on how can we pitch our research in a concise, short period of time to individuals that are part of the community. And that's something that I felt has been very beneficial that I haven't had it in many other instances of my training here at the University of Minnesota.